Let's see how Autopilot safely handles complex request scenarios to deliver fast, quality support. In this demo, Autopilot manages different flight booking requests in a single branching rule from triage to auto-reply or handoff, while dynamically pulling key conversation data. Here's our booking request rule that runs whenever a new request comes in. First, AI instantly determines the booking type. Rather than building a long list of conditions, we simply ask AI a question in natural language. Autopilot reads the question, then routes the workflow into the right branch. One way, round trip, or unclear. If Autopilot decides this is a one-way flight, the rule goes down this branch. For this request type, we use prompt-based instructions to tell Autopilot to generate a personalized auto-reply using the conversation context and the dynamic variables connected to our booking system. If the request is for a round-trip flight, the workflow is a bit different. In that case, I'll need to collect all the key details and send them to an external booking team. This is where AI extracts and sends those key details from the message for us. For each piece of information, like cities and dates, I add a dynamic variable that tells AI exactly what to extract from the message. AI understands the different ways customers phrase their itineraries and still returns clean, structured values to send to the booking team. And finally, if Autopilot can't confidently decide whether this is a one-way or round trip, the rule goes into the last branch and assigns the conversation to a teammate for review. That way we still get the safety of a human check when needed. Now let's see how this looks in the inbox from an agent's perspective. Here I have a customer asking for a one-way flight from Paris to New York. We'll use a booking request tag to trigger the workflow to give the team total control over when this rule runs, and Autopilot will handle the rest. The reply is generated automatically based on my prompted instructions and the data from our booking system, so the agent doesn't have to compose anything by hand. Here's another example, this time for a round-trip request. The customer asks for Paris to New York, leaving December 3rd and returning December 7th. This time you'll see the round-trip branch in action, including the data extractions and the forwarding to our external team. As you can see, Autopilot can automate even the most detailed and complex support workflows while safely handing off to an agent when needed. To further scale your workflows, you can also use new company rule templates. Mirror individual conversations in shared inboxes for greater team visibility, and to unlock front AI features for individual inboxes. You can also block teammates from sending messages under specified conditions, enforcing compliance. With new Autopilot workflows and company rule templates, you can scale fast, personalized support while maintaining full control.